As a youth, is it okay to ignore politics? Shouldn't it be just for grown-ups? Aren't we too young to be involved in politics? And how does this affect our society? Politics is what shapes our society. It is combined decisions of everyone in the world in order to make a change. For the better, it can also make a change. As a youth, can affect society. As a youth, this can affect our society because if I ignore our politics today, then there wouldn't be a voters of tomorrow because just like what Jose Rizal said, ang kabataan ay ang pag-asa ng bayan. So, if I were to ignore society,